Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to explain what is data type conversion in Python. When we want to convert one data type value into another data type, then it is called data type conversion. There are two types of data type conversion in Python. First, implicit data type conversion, and second, explicit data type conversion. Now, first of all, I'm going to explain what is implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion automatically performed by the Python. So if expression contain different data type like integer data and float data, then Python will automatically apply the implicit type conversion and convert one data into another data. So take one example here. Suppose if I write a is equals to 10, so data type of a is what? Integer. You can cross check here, just write down print in bracket type in bracket a. So when I execute this one, it will display data type of a is equals to integer. Check out a is equals to what? Integer. Now again I'm writing b is equals to 1.2, then write down print in bracket type of what? B. So it will print data type of b, that should be float. Check out the data type of b is what? Float. Now here there are two different variable with two different data type. One is what? Integer data, another is which one? Float data. Now suppose if I write c is equals to a plus b. Now in this expression what happened? Data type of a is what? Integer, and data type of b is which one? Float. Now different data types. So what happened? Python apply implicit type conversion here and convert integer value into float value, and then addition is performed. So check out here, when I print the value of what? C variable, again I can cross check the data type of C variable. So I can write down type in bracket which one? C. So when I execute this one, check out, output is 11.2 and data type of C variable is which one? Float. So this is called which one? Implicit type conversion. Implicit type conversion automatically applicable by Python when we try to convert lower data type value into higher data type. In this example, lower data type value is integer and higher data type value is which one? Float. So that type of conversion is called which one? Implicit type conversion. Now I'm going to explain second type of conversion, that is called explicit type conversion. Explicit type conversion performed by the programmer. Python is not responsible for the explicit type conversion. Now, what is the example of this one? Now I'm going to again remove this one, write down a is equals to 10, then b is equals to, here I'm going to write down in bracket double quote, not bracket, double quote 20. Okay, now check out here, data type of a is what? Integer, data type of b is which one? String. Now you can cross check here, print type of a, then print type of what? B. Okay, so when I execute this one, first data type is which one? Integer. A has integer data type and B has which one? String data type. Now both variable has different data. Now we try to add these two data, C is equals to A plus B, and then print what? C. Now Python will give error. Why? Because we cannot add integer and string value. So when I execute this one, check out, Python will give the error that operand, that is plus sign, is not applicable for the integer data and which one? String data. So what is the rule of the Python? Rule of Python is very simple. Both data type must be same, like data type of a and data type of a must be same. That may be what? Integer, that may be float, or that may be string. But here in this case, one data type is which one? Integer, another data type is which one? String. That's why this operation is not possible. So when I execute this one, it will give the error that operation is not supported. Okay, now what we can do here, we can convert that string value into integer value. So how to convert the string value into integer value? Just write down here x, another variable, then use the inbuilt function that is called int in bracket b. So what is the meaning of this one? This will convert b value, that is the string value, into integer value and stored inside which variable? X variable. Now instead of b, write down x variable and execute this one. Now it will execute successfully. Check out here, output is equals to 30. Now you can cross check data type of X also. Just write down here print in bracket type of X. So it must display integer. Check out here, data type of X is which one? Integer. So to convert your string value into integer value, we use which one? int function. Take another example. Suppose this is 1.2. Okay. Now here, to convert float value, sorry, not float value, that string consists of 1.2, then convert that value into float, then we use which function? Float function. Check out here, instead of integer I am writing which one? Float function. So this float function convert the value present inside b into float data type and stored inside which one? X variable. So check out here, now output is what? 11.2, and data type of X variable is which one? Float. So we can use either integer function, or we can use float function to convert the string value into respective data type. Now suppose if I write any other value, so like ABC, so that is not possible to convert into a numeric, like that is ABC value cannot be converted into integer value or which one? Float value. So check out, if I try to execute this one, now it will give the error. So that is not possible to convert that ABC value into which one? Float value. So remember this one, if your string variable consists of only like a numeric value like 12 or 20 or 30, then it is possible to convert one string value into each one? Your numeric value. But if your string variable consists of like ABC characters, ABC, XYZ, then that is not possible to convert into each one? Integer or any other numeric data type. Now, third function I want to explain. So check out here. I'm going to take one example. A is equals to 10, B is equals to 20, then C is equals to, I'm going to write down A plus B, and print here. I want to write like this one, addition is, okay, addition is, then plus sign and C variable. Now here, normally what I'm doing here, first of all, I'm printing like addition is, this is the string. Then I try to concat value of C variable to this string variable. But again, already we know we cannot use the plus sign for one string data type and one which one? Integer data type. So here it will give the error. Check out here. Check out, this is the error. Now what I want to do, I want to convert this C value, that is the integer value, this C value into string variable or string value. Then I can write like this one. Check out here, str, that will convert the C variable value into string, and then plus sign is applicable here. Now here, when we use the plus sign with this true string data type, check out here, this is the first string data type and this is the second string data type. Now plus sign is applicable, so it will perform which one? Concat operation. Concat means what? Joining of the two string. So output is what? Addition is colon, and after that C value is printed. So when I execute this one, check out, addition is what? 30. So here we can use what? Three different function for the implicit type conversion, like int, that will convert your string value into integer, then float, that will convert your string value into float, and lastly str, that will convert any other value into string data type. So this type of explicit type conversion function you can use while working with the Python.